Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shivani Katots. I create videos related to fashion, beauty, DIY and many more. So let's talk about today's video. So today's video is about Nykaa haul, and I just wanted to do this haul for the longest time, but I couldn't post it because of my exams and hectic schedule. So now I am here finally posting this Nykaa haul video for you guys, and I have tried some of the products to review it honestly to you guys, and I have bunch of stuff here from nykaa.com and I'm gonna review it all. And it's a beginners friendly makeup kit under rupees 380, and it's a great deal guys. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. Starting this video, I request you all to subscribe down below and hit that bell icon near the subscribe button so that you do not miss my any upcoming videos. So let's start with our first product. So I'm gonna start with the foundation, and here I got this Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation, and it's a matte plus poreless foundation, and my shade in this is 220 natural beige, and it costed me around $2.99. It's a small version of Maybelline Fit Me foundation, as you can see here in the picture. If you want to try the Fit Me foundation but you do not want to ekdam se invest in it, so you can go for the cheaper one. And I just love this for normal to oily skin people. I think it get oxidized, so I will suggest you to take a bit lighter shade from your original shade. And I just love all the Fit Me range of Maybelline. I think all of them are amazing. It be a foundation or a loose powder, everything is amazing in Fit Me. So I will highly suggest you guys if you are beginners in the makeup world. So the next I have is concealer, and it's also a Fit Me concealer, and it's in the 25 medium shade, and I just love the packaging of glass bottle. I got it for 380 rupees. If you do not want to go for higher coverage like a foundation, you can definitely go for concealers, and it will give you the light coverage and it will look natural, which is amazing. The next I have the Swiss Beauty Makeup Natural Fixer, and it's a budget friendly long lasting makeup fixer, and I just love it. It has aloe vera plus vitamin E in it, and it's a really long lasting fixer, and it came in this small size bottle, which I absolutely love, and it has really nice fragrance to it, and it costed me around $249, which is amazing for the makeup fixer like this, and I just love it. I'm not gonna use it for daily basis, but for marriages and festivals I will definitely use this one. So the next I have this Maybelline New York Hypercurl mascara, and I just love this mascara. I have used it a lot. Curve here, I don't know you can see it or not, but I just love this curve, and it has really small brushes which give that long falsy like lashes to you guys, which is amazing. And it costed me for around 310 rupees, and which is not a bad deal. It's a great deal, and I just love it. After applying this, I do not feel the need to apply the falsies, so it's a big yes for me for daily basis and even for the function. Next I have this loose finishing powder from the Fit Me range, and now you can clearly tell that I am obsessed with the Fit Me range. It is so amazing, and I have used it too. My shade in this is 20 light medium, and it's a loose finishing powder, and it came in this glass bottle, and you can just twist it around and you can see the powder here, and you can just dab the brush here and apply it all over your face. And it's a great powder. I highly suggest you to invest in Fit Me range. This one costed me 521 rupees, and yes, it's above 390 rupees. This one and the next product, these are the two products are higher than 390 rupees but are worth it, and I just love this. So I just wanted to have this finishing powder. I have seen a lot of videos and how much this product is hyped up under influencers and many of the YouTubers, so I just wanted to try it. So I bought it for 521 rupees, which is not bad because I love the product. Next I have this creative palette. I hope you guys have seen it in my previous video. Head on to my channel and watch this video where I reviewed this palette in details. I swatched all of the products which are mentioned here in that video, and I created a beautiful eye look, whether I say colorful eye look, and I absolutely love it. Although the colors are not that much pigmented, but I just love the packaging. I will not suggest you this palette because the colors are not that much pigmented. Those some of them are really amazing, like the pink one and the purple one and the shimmery shades here, and the nude ones too. They are so nice. But the black one, it doesn't have any imitation. It's a Makeup Revolution Volume 1 Creative Palette, and it costed me around $7.50. So you can click the I button here and you can check out the review of this creative palette on my channel, and I created this eye look. So you can check out there by clicking here in the I button. Now let's move on to our next product, which is a Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, and it looked like this. Almost used it a lot, like a lot, and I just love it. It costed me for around 199 rupees. Yeah, it's the smaller version of the big Garnier Micellar Water. If you wanna just check out the product, so you can invest in the smaller ones rather than going straight up to the biggest one. And I just never tried the Garnier Micellar Water, so I just bought the smaller version here. So yeah, I just love it and I used a lot of it. And the last product, I bought this combo of Tresemme shampoo. If you have seen my blog on my website, which is www.bohochic.com, I will mention here, or you can check out the description below. And by the way, I have linked all the products in the description box below, so you can check it out there. I was telling you guys that I have written a blog on the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, and if you want to check it out, you can type www.bohochic.com on Google and you will find my blog there. And I write about travel, fashion and beauty on my website, and you can find the link straight to my website in the description box below, so you can check it out too. So yeah, I bought this my Keratin Smooth shampoo, and it costed me for 375 rupees, and it will give you that smooth finish to your hair. It also contains argan oil, which is great. And the conditioner, I got it for 176 rupees. I also love it. It give you that smooth feel, and never skip your conditioner. Let me give you this tip: if you are using the shampoo of some brand, use the conditioner of the same brand too, because if you are using the shampoo of the other brand and the conditioner of the other brand, it will never give any benefit to your hairs, and it will not work that good on your hairs. So I will suggest you to go for the same brand shampoo and conditioner, and it will definitely give you that smooth and nice effect on your hairs. And yeah, that's all about this video, and I hope you enjoyed this mini haul of Nykaa. I'm coming up with a lot of videos and hauls just for you guys. So if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell icon near the subscribe button so that you do not miss my any video. Till then, see you.